but we do have a weather front. Now, this lovely Weather Watchers picture from this morning is from Loch Carron in the Highlands. And it is a fine start to the day, but you can see cloud is starting to build. And that is because we've got a weather front not too far away across northwest Scotland, which is introducing thicker cloud and some rain. And that will be with us for much of the week, slowly slipping south by the end of the week as a weak feature, meaning just some cloud and patchy rain in it. But we're also looking at some chilly nights. Now, high pressure is still hanging on across England and Wales, eastern Scotland and eastern parts of Northern Ireland. So here we'll see the driest and the sunniest conditions today. This is the weather front producing the rain in the northwest. That will be with us for much of the week. The rain in northwest Scotland, heavy and persistent. Some of it at times getting in across Northern Ireland, but mostly into the northwest. You'll see a wee bit more cloud building ahead of it. And it's going to be windy across Scotland and Northern Ireland. These white circles indicate the sustained wind speeds. So it's not going to be as windy as it was over the weekend across England and Wales, but it will still be breezy. And that breeze will take the edge off the temperatures, which at best are going to get up to about 13 or 14, but cooler down the North Sea coastline. Now, through this evening and overnight, we hang on to clear skies, especially across England, Wales, southern Scotland. Here's where we'll see the lowest temperatures. Meanwhile, our weather front's still very much with us across the north and the west. So that means temperatures won't fall away as low as they're going to elsewhere. But we're also expecting some low cloud coming in across Devon and Cornwall. So that will help maintain your temperature levels too. Temperatures could fall as low as -2, so a frosty start, but a clear start to the day across England, Wales, southern and parts of eastern Scotland. But where we do have that weather front for Northern Ireland and the rest of Scotland, once again, we're looking at a fairly cloudy picture with that rain coming in, and persistent rain at that. In the sunshine, temperatures could get up to 16, possibly 17 degrees. Now, from Tuesday into Wednesday, our weather front starts its descent southwards as a weakening feature because it's going to bump into that area of high pressure. So we start off on a cold note on Wednesday for England, for Wales, some frost around, but a lot of sunshine. And as our weather front sinks south as a weak feature, it will just have some patchy rain on it, drying up behind it in northwest Scotland. But worth mentioning, the Met Office has a yellow weather warning in force for rain for northwest Scotland, and it's in force from 1800 tonight until midday on Wednesday. By then, parts of the northwest could have had as much as 100 millimetres of rainfall. But in the sunshine, once again, we're looking at highs 15, 16, possibly even 17. But that's the last day of the really mild weather, because look how the mild weather represented by the yellows is squeezed away by the end of the week, and the blues return, the colder blues, as we see a return to more northerly winds. But the weather remains fairly settled. Don't forget that weather front slipping south, bringing its cloud and some patchy rain on it, but not much more than that. But also, if you look at Sunday, see how the temperature has slipped. Dan and Lou.
Thank you very much, Carol. I did see we've left loads of space between us now.
Now people can see Carol better, so it's perfect, Carol. See you in about half an hour.
Thank you.
Thank you for that, Carol. So with many more people working from home, it's more important than ever